How are you doing? I'm back again. I just wanted to give an update on my stretch marks, that stretch mark treatment that I did, the hardcore stretch marks. First of all, I'm not finished healing yet. It's been a little bit, since I did that hardcore treatment with the derma roller and all of my numbing cream. First of all, I want to talk about what happened. First of all, I actually did that treatment for about 45 minutes. And if you was to talk to any esthetician or any doctor, they would say no. But hey, it's something that I am going into the beauty industry, the cosmetology industry, and I want to be able to help women with every problem they have with their body, and that includes stretch marks. Now, I have not healed all the way, but I can definitely say that I do see a difference. My stretch marks has gotten skinnier, and that's how you know when something is working on your skin. As far as your stretch marks, it's not about them fading. It's about your stomach tightening up again and you getting the collagen back. Um, when I had After I had finished doing the treatment, me and my daughter, for 45 minutes, I can definitely tell you that I did not feel any pain until maybe 3 hours later when all of the numbing cream had wore off. Um, and my stomach literally did swell up a great deal. I looked like I was probably 3 months pregnant. Like, it literally, my stomach did swell up pretty much. And I don't even know what it feels like to be cut in my stomach, as far as like cesarean or something like that, because I had vaginal births for both of my kids. But I felt like I might have had some kind of cut on my stomach. I was hurting pretty bad, and I was moving kind of slow. I had What I did was I put Neosporin on my stomach. I of course cleaned off the blood and everything, but I put like excuse me, my eyes itching. But I put Neosporin on my stomach to keep from me getting infected. I definitely, of course, my hands was washed and everything, and there were times when I actually patted it with alcohol. Um, the fact that I work with biohazard, it wasn't that hard for me to keep my stomach from getting infected or anything, because, like I said, I work with biohazard, so I know what to do to keep from transferring. Basically, it's called cross contamination, when you touch this and then touch that and touch yourself and that basically spreading germs. So I know all about that. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. It did work for me, but I don't really recommend that other people go as hard as I do. I think that if you wanted to go ahead and use a derma roller, just like I did, but not go anywhere near as hard as I did. Just sometimes when people do a derma roll on their face and maybe a little bit red, maybe look like a bit of a slight suntan, that's to the extent that you may want to do it. Because, like I said, I work with biohazard, and on top of that, I'm in school for cosmetology. So I'm basically just experimenting on myself to see what works. And I'm pretty much tired of my stretch marks. But I had stretch marks, like the type of stretch marks that you have when you're growing, kind of like on my thighs, like the top of my thighs. But I can honestly say that I feel like the stretch marks on my stomach is looking even better than the ones that were on my thighs. The growing type of stretch marks, if that makes any sense. But these were the stretch marks that I got from being pregnant. So my stretch marks are getting better, and the way my stomach looks now, it looks like I have what do you call that thing? Vitiligo, because the melanin needs to come back on my stomach. It's coming back slowly, but it is what it is. It's going to take a while to heal, of course. And I did take pictures, as far as like the progression. So I will put that in like a video, an updated video when my stomach finally does heal. I will show, and I'm probably going to take a picture of it and actually show you, because this is real. This isn't no Photoshop or anything like that. you know, excuse me, I just want to do everything that I can. Once I decide to open up my salon, I want to do everything that I can to help women with the issues that we have with our body. And the funny thing about it is, when it comes to stretch marks, guys don't even care about that. It's us who thinks that they're so ugly. I think my stretch marks are ugly, and I just want to get rid of them. And I also, if anybody's interested in learning how to prevent stretch marks, especially when you're pregnant, that's when we get them the worst. There's some stuff called Mother's Friend that's really good. Go ahead and Google that. I think they still sell it. You can probably get it on eBay, Amazon, whatever. I tried to get in contact with the distributors, but it's an old school product. And it smells pretty good too, but a lot of people don't know about it. So, if you're pregnant and you're trying to prevent your stretch marks, go ahead and use some of that you would use it probably on your breasts, on your thighs, definitely your stomach, everything, your behind, of course, everything basically that gets big, probably your whole self. But anyway, those are the places where you get, stretch marks. I guess that's all that I have to say for now about that. I'm going to have to wait a couple of weeks until my stomach heals before I can show you. And before I end this video, I do want to let y'all know that, I have been doing different things over the years to help with my stretch marks. It has been getting better, but I'm not going to lie, I do, like I said, I alternate with my methods. So the next treatment that I do, I'll probably want going back to the syringe, and then do derma. I'll probably just alternate with that because I do see a difference with these different methods. So might as well go ahead and give it a try. That's about it. Thanks for watching.